Welcome to the last video, where we will walk you through your new workplace. After you have resetted your device and self-deployed it into Intune, your device will start up and prompt you with the Windows login screen. Here you can enter your email address and the password. Once it's signed in, you will see your background, which has also been set by Intune. And what we want to do in this video is walk you through the basics of using your new workplace. And the best way to start is by showing you the start menu. So this is the start menu, and we've created a default layout for you. So on top we have the office applications. The second section is a bit of file exploration, some settings, some information you might need, which has been placed here. And the last section we have made in the default layout is the Axian support. So here we have TeamViewer and the service desk where you can create tickets if you need any help with your new workplace. This default layout can be changed, so these sections are fixed, but you can add new sections to your start menu. So let's say you want to add your most used applications in a new section, you can just grab the applications you want to place and drag them over here. So let's say we have Screenshot, we have Adobe, and let's use SAP in here as well. If you hover over the top, you can change the name, and let's name it most used, and now it's saved. So this is an easy way to customize your own start menu. Of course, you can also choose to drag the applications you quickly want to access to the taskbar by just dragging the application over here. So here you can see we now have the File Explorer, we have Outlook, and we have the browser Microsoft Edge. Alright, so let's open Outlook, because the first time you open Outlook, it has to set up your account. So here you can see it's going to search for accounts. So here you can see it found my email address. So when this pops up empty, just enter your email address manually and click connect. It will now connect to the Exchange Online environment, and here it says account successfully added. We have an Office 365 account. This is the email address. So if we want, we can add another email address. We're going to skip that for now, and we're going to uncheck this one because we don't want to set up Outlook Mobile at the moment. Now we're going to click done. It will load the mailbox settings, and afterwards it's going to download a local copy to the machine so you can have quick access to your emails. Don't worry when not all of your emails will show up immediately, because it still has to download them to your PC. They will show up eventually. The Outlook is now ready for use. As you can see, we have some emails. We can start writing new emails. So let's go ahead and close it for now. As you might have seen, we've got a notification which we can check over here on the right side of the screen. This notification was from Outlook, and it said to us we're going to set up a local copy of your mailbox. This is the area where you will receive all your notifications for applications, so new emails, but also if you install something, it will show up here. Next, I want to quickly talk to you about OneDrive. From Intune, we have set up OneDrive for all Elho workplaces, because the OneDrive is basically going to be your backup. OneDrive is going to synchronize your device to the OneDrive folder of your account, which means that if you have important documents or data you want to keep, you have to place them in the right folders. So I will show you now. If we go to the start menu and we go to OneDrive, you will see that this is your home folder for OneDrive. So everything you put in here is going to be synchronized to OneDrive. So it's going to be backupped. But it's also synchronizing these three PC folders or device folders. You have your desktop, so everything that is placed on the desktop will be synchronized with OneDrive. You have the documents map, so over here everything you have placed in your documents map will be synchronized to OneDrive, and the pictures map. So it's good to remember that if you want to backup important documents, place them in one of these maps or place them in the home folder of OneDrive. If for whatever reason you have to reinstall your device, after the installation has been done, OneDrive will synchronize again and it will place all these documents back to your device. So this is essentially the backup of your device. So it's important to work with OneDrive. Next we have the company portal, which is a part of the Intune management. In the company portal we can select applications that are made available to us. So during the self-deployment process, a few applications were installed. Those are required for the workplace, but these apps are available as optional. So let's say we have the barcode font here, UPC, and we want to install it. We can select it and then we press here install. What it's going to do now, it's going to download the font and it will install it on the device. This is a process that is automatically done for you by the company portal. Over here we can see a notification popping up, downloading and installing software, and we see the name of the font we just selected. Here we can keep an eye on the notifications. As we can see here now, the font has been installed successfully, so we can check it in the notifications and we can clear them. Now we can see over here as well that the app is installed. So you can do that for every application that has been made available to you through the company portal. Another part of the company portal is you can check all your devices. So normally most employees will just have one device. For the test account we have multiple because we're trying stuff out. When you select the device you can see some more information. Sometimes when you have a question for the service desk, they might ask you the name of the device or the model number, so you can find that in the company portal. Another thing you can do here is if you go to my profile, you can select change password if you want to change your password. Now the last part I want to show in the start menu is going to be Axian support. Here you have a team viewer and a shortcut to the service desk. So whenever you need help with your workplace and you're talking with a support engineer from Axians, they might ask you to open the quick support or remote support, and you do that by opening this icon in the start menu, and it will start up TeamViewer, and you can give your ID and password to the support engineer so he can take over control to help you out with whatever problem you have. If you have to file a ticket, you can use the service desk. Let's use Microsoft Edge for this. It will open the URL to our Axian service desk. Over here you can log in, and after you have been logged in you can create a ticket. We have come to the end of our final video. I hope these videos have helped you prepare for the new workplace at Elho. If you have any questions about your new workplace, feel free to contact the Axian service desk or create a ticket within Topdesk. Enjoy your new working experience and thanks for watching.